Hey guys, today I am here to explain that how to solve the problems of probability with concepts that probability will become easy. So, I'm going to solve the question here. How many bridge hands can be selected from an ordinary deck of 52 playing cards? This question is very shortcut. Just do that. Their total cards are here. You can see that n is equal to 52. First point clear? Total cards are here 52. So you can say that, let's suppose that this is the n which are 52. Number one step. Number two, cards, you know that cards in a hand of bridge, must remember that this is always 13. Must remember. When we have total 52 cards, cards in a hand of bridge always 13. Let's suppose that this is R. Let's suppose that. So here total how many bridge hands? So here you can easily calculate the total. Total will be here N C, which is a combination, and this is R. And here you can easily calculate N here is 52, C, R is here, cards in bridge hand are 13, and next 52C 13. 52 13 is always equal to, you can use the calculator, 6.35 multiplied by 10 raised to power n. So these are the how many, these are the question here, how many bridge heads? These are 6.35 multiplied by 10 raised to power 11. I hope that you have cleared the concept about this question. Thanks for watching this video. Also share this lecture with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it, and also visit the playlist of this channel to learn more and more about probability and statistics to get good marks. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Goodbye.